Biden, the liar in chief. Biden lied for the Latino people once again. Biden was elected saying he was going to help the Latino, help the black people, and he got the vote of the Latino and the black. And what did he do? He opened the borders, and some say over 13 million illegals came to this country. Did they help the Latino people? Did they help the black people? On the opposite. The Latinos and black people who were in America got completely screwed. And who got helped? The illegal who are coming here right now. Remember, we have lots of veterans in the streets, homeless, and these guys are getting less help than the illegal who are just crossing the border at this moment. And that is ridiculous. Now, Biden says that he wants to change that. He wants to fix the mess that he created. Why are you going to fix that, Biden? Is this because we are 3 months for the election? Is that the reason? You are trying to fix the problem 3 months to the election? I think is a little too late. The Latino people and the black people, I hope they see what you're trying to do. Listen to the liar once again.
So today, I'm moving past Republican obstruction and using the executive authorities available to me as president to do what I can on my own to address the border. Frankly, I would have preferred to address this issue through bipartisan legislation because that's the only way to actually get the kind of system we have now that's broken, fixed, to hire more Border Patrol agents, more asylum officers, more judges. But Republicans have left me no choice. Today, I'm announcing actions to bar migrants who cross our southern border unlawfully from receiving asylum. Migrants will be restricted from receiving asylum at our southern border unless they seek it after entering through an established lawful process.
Really? Now he's trying to blame the Republicans? That's low. We all know Biden opened the borders. We all know he had no intentions to fix the problem. We all know that. He is the president. So why didn't he fix the problem before? Why didn't he use the executive order then when he won the election? But he lied to each one of you because the reality is Democrats want little slaves. They want Latinos like me to come to this country and work as slaves for them. Open the border, come as many as we are. And once we are here, we work for minimum wage and we cannot afford anything in life. That is his intention of helping the Latino people. He's not helping any Latino people. He's not helping anyone. What he's doing is he's destroying the dreams of the Latino people who were here. I came here some time ago and I had a dream. Thank God I came here before Biden. And before Biden, I could have a life. Before Biden, you had a dream. After Biden, you have a nightmare because the life is harder. Everything is upside down. You cannot afford anything in America. If you came before Biden, you could afford a house, you could afford a car, you could afford a rent. You could live a life. You could go to the grocery store and buy food. After Biden, you today cannot afford a house. You can barely buy a car. The interest rate is so high, you can't afford a car. You go to a grocery store. Man, I used to go to Costco. Now I have to go to the cheap store next to me because I can't afford it anymore. And the situation is harder and harder. And he opened the doors. He's sending all this money to Ukraine. He's sending all this money to the illegal immigrants. And the economy is going down. We know. But look at the market. Look at the inflation's finally going down. Yeah, when you took office, inflation was 1.4. You rose the inflation to 9. Now the inflation is back to almost 4. It's back at 3.8. Okay, it's better than were, but the reality is perception is the reality. You're trying to tell the people that the high prices are not high, that the inflation doesn't exist, but we can't afford food anymore. We can't buy a house anymore. That our dream became a nightmare. No, we can't. The reality is Biden destroy every Latino's dream of living in America. We have our dreams destroyed, and it's because of Biden. And now he's trying to blame the Republicans. It's like I've always told you, Latino, Biden never thought of you. Biden never cared for you. Democrats, they only care for one thing and one thing only. They want power. They want to be in power forever. That's the only thing they care about it. They don't care about Latinos. They don't care about black people. They don't care about women. They don't care about LGBT. They don't care about none of that. The only thing they care is power. They are going to try to put Trump in jail. They are trying to do anything they can to stop Trump from winning this election because that's their goal, to be in power forever. May God bless America, and may God make these Latinos to open their eyes, to the black people to open their eye and see this guy is a liar and he does not care for none of you. He should be in a nursing home. God bless America.